I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to get a better idea of what size a gem will look like in person. This is a handy tool that I often use, my clients find useful. It's called gemsize, gemsize.org instead of .com, gemsize.org. I usually prefer to use the single gem tool, but if you want to compare two different sizes, you can use the two. So I just usually click on single gem. Never mess with the carat weight. The carat weight is going to make it guess at the millimeter size. What you always want to do is you always want to use only the millimeter size. So let's say you have a 7.5 by 5.4 millimeter you're looking at on our website. You want to know what that would look on your finger. So you can choose your material if you want to. The only problem is if you choose your material and other things after you choose a millimeter size, your millimeter size goes away. So best to choose the material first, which I didn't do, of course. But anyway, so let's say you're looking at a sapphire oval. All of this, sapphire and color and all of that, is totally optional. If all you care about the size, and if you're going for efficiency, just choose the shape, put in the millimeter size, and hit examine. So 7.5 by 5.4, just for this example. Examine gem, and that will generate a rendering of that size of gem on a 6.5 size, US 6.5 size finger. And you can change this finger size, say your tiny 5.5 finger, the finger size changes, or a larger finger, you're a 9. And so this will show you the scale, very close to the scale of that on your finger. Keep in mind, if you're putting diamonds all the way around like a halo, it'll add significantly to the visual bulk. But this will help you to quickly get a good idea if the gem you're looking at is a good size for what you want. If it's, when you get it in the mail, if it's going to look as big or as small as you want it to look. So real handy tool. I hope this helps you understand how to use it.